Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Let's get started. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and select the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. Next, go to the Data on the top menu and click on the Data Validation in the Data Tools section. In the Data Validation window, look for the Allow option and choose List from the drop-down menu. And after that, go to the source box and type the item you want to list. Separate the commas, for example, yes, comma, no, comma, and maybe. You can also select the range of cells if your list items are already written in the sheet. And once you're done, click OK. Now when you click the cell, you'll see the drop down arrow and lets you choose from the list. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.